how to log in into ADP Workforce Employee Login Portal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up a web browser. On your web browser, simply search for ADP Workforce Employee Login. Remove that and hit enter, and there we go. So there are a lot of different options right here. The one that you'll need to choose is this one. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it should load and take you to the website. Now, before I tell you guys what to do next, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. After you're on this website, tap on this employee login button. After you tap on it, it should redirect you to your employee login portal. So let's wait for it. And it's starting to load. Now you will need to remember your email or your username and then a password associated to it. So simply type in your user ID, whatever your user ID is, then tap on next and then go through with the password. Type in your password and then tap on sign in, and you'll get signed in into your ADP Workforce account. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.